Alright guys, so today we got the Traxxas Jato up here on the bench. Got the quick run 4S system in it, but there's still some other things that we need to do to make it perfect, because there's some things that aren't perfect about it, and we're going to talk about those today. And we're going to install some parts. So one of the first parts I got is this wing. This is a sledge wing. This part number is 9517G. This does run the sledge wing. Same mount, same everything. But the thing that really bothered me when I bought this green one was came with a green wing, right? But then it still had the stupid black plastic. So what I did at delivery, printed out a green one. These will be available on eBay. They're going to be cheap. I'm not sure on the price yet. I will post a link down below this video when I'm ready to start doing them, which is now. I'm ready now, but I couldn't stand it came with this color. So I printed myself off a green one. Fits perfect in there. And it blends in really well, this apple green color here. So what we're going to do, let's get this off. And the upgraded wing, or the green wing, does come with new screws, but we shouldn't need those. So now this will go over into my Traxxas parts bin. Keep that. Never know when I might need it. Throw on this green wing. But now we're going to throw on the green wing retainer, I guess you'd call it. And guys, this isn't a new part. I actually made those back when I had the sledge, because I put a color wing on it, and this was one of my biggest gripes then too. I don't know if I ever took a video on it, but they don't offer the colored plastic insert, and it's stupid, because if you're buying a green wing, you want it green, right? So why would they put black on it? The screws isn't a problem, but when you come to this and then it's this and it's black, it looks hideous. So now it's all green. Looks great. Now my next gripe that I have with Traxxas on their vehicles is their battery trays. Now this here is a 4S battery sitting on my tray. And we are going to install this tray in here. This is my tray. I made these trays. They're custom made to fit this. So I'm going to drill these. I'm going to show you how to do this. And then these will be for sale too. These are going to be cheap too. But they won't come with straps or screws or nothing. But we'll figure out today what screws and everything you need. So you won't have to worry about that. I'll figure that out. And then strap sizes is probably like 300 and a 500. If you want to do like what I'm doing with them. So yeah. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is I'm going to pull out this center bar. It's going to be kind of in the way. And I think this center bar is a sledge bar too. If anyone knows, please comment down below, let me know. And then this should just pick out just like that. And then grab our box. I'm using a 3mm drill bit. And I know I'm doing something really stupid right now, and I can feel it going through the table, but that's fine because I'm about to replace this junk ass table anyways. Let's look. Did I poke through the table? I did poke through the table. That's fine now. Alright, so now we got that drilled out. Now what you're going to need to do, take this out and blow it off. Blow it all out. Grab our screws. These are going to be M3 screws. These are cap heads. I don't want those. Hopefully I have some M3s. I got some stainless. But I don't think they're going to be long enough. Probably should have made sure I had long enough screws before I decided to do this. I might have to go on a screw hunt, guys. So yes, you're going to want at least 10 millimeter, as you can see. But I do have to put my straps on first. So let's get this back out. Alright, so I'm going to put my straps back on the way I want them. So this one, like that. The bottom. So like that should be fine. I'm just gonna go ahead. Set your trays down in. Screw back up through. Oh, I can't believe I just did that. So now the idea was, nope, it's not working that way, sadly. I have to make that slit a little bit smaller. Alright, so I'm going to get all these screws on, and then I will be back. Okay, guys, so this Gen's Ace 5000 will not fit, but it's a pretty thick battery. This is a 3S, Spectrum 3S. So that does fit. Okay, fantastic. So I'm gonna go grab, I have a couple soft case 4S's that are smaller batteries. We'll try those quick and see if we can get those to fit. And if we can get those to fit, then that should work out fine. I'm going to have to put some new tape on this button. So yeah, I'm going to put some new tape on that button. Let me go grab a 4S Slim Pack. So here's one of the thinner 4S's I have. So as you can see, the line's right about up with the 3S, but it is longer. But that should not really be a problem now. Now if we go ahead, there we go. Now we got a 4S in there. Suspension is already pretty much blown out on this thing, but that's okay. Fix that too eventually. Alright, so that is how you're going to get a 4S to fit. Alright, sweet.